I have a Honeywell HZ322 and zone 1 is blinking yellow on the controller board and is sending no power to the thermostat.
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
I was attempting to install an Ecobee 4 thermostat and I may have touched the blue power wire to one of the other thermostat wires. Now my old thermostat won't even work.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I hope there is some type of reset I can do to restore power to my old Honeywell thermostat. Forget the Ecobee 4. It appears there is a circuit breaker reset button, but I can't seem to find it. Is it part of the HZ322 board? Any update?
Hello, there is no circuit breaker on the HZ322 board. Use a multimeter to measure voltage between R and C on the thermostat terminal strip, either at the thermostat itself or at the thermostat terminal strip in the furnace. Tell me what color of wire is attached to each letter terminal. We can go from there.
Unfortunately, I don't have a multimeter gauge available. I'm simply trying to determine how to reset zone 1 on my HZ322 to get the yellow flashing light off.
Hello again. I found this. It's not in any of the Honeywell manuals. Remove cover and look for a micro switch labeled purge. Press and hold for 3 seconds. All zones will reset, all dampers will open, equipment fan will run for up to 5 minutes, and a yellow light will flash. Let me know how that goes.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.